Rachel, why does it look like it's gonna be chewy?
Yeah, it will be sweet. Octopus, take the octopus out of the hot water like this, we steam it first. Then you put the octopus right there. Not only Chinese people know how to cook octopus.
Wait, can I try cutting
Then
it?
you can to cut it up. I'm
Can I
going to
cut
cut
it?
it
Can I
up.
cut it? Can I cut it?
I'm going to cut it up. It's hot. You can cut it up.
Please.
I'm going to cut it myself. Try cutting and see. See if it's real cutting. First try cutting it and see how it can be.
Well, I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it.
First try cutting the octopus.
So you will aim at.
Put your hands on the octopus and cut it.
Why? Just my hands. I don't want to touch it.
First, don't ask me. You got to
Dad,
cut
I don't
something.
want to touch it. Dad, I don't want to touch it.
Wait.
Don't
Wait, you
touch
put the
it.
octopus like this. Look
No,
here.
no, first thing.
Hold it, something. Hold the stick. There you go. You see, separate the octopus just like this.
Well, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something.
Wait.
Diabetes. Don't give me diabetes. Oh, no.
Octopus give you diabetes.
Why does the head look like it's full of meat? I don't want to eat octopus. Can I try? I want to try cutting it. You want to try touching it?
So you watch how cooking the octopus?
Watch this.
You learn how to cook octopus?
Watch this. I can cook it. I can touch it with no problem.
Invincible first. Come see quick. See how it body. See here. See how everything body.
Where's the octopus?
Octopus there. Move it.
The of this stuff.
Move it. Move the neck. Move the neck. We are eating octopus today. Sing. Let's sing for octopus. Octopus, we are eating octopus today. We are eating octopus today.
Octopus.
We are eating octopus today. First invisible.
Yeah?
Your taste, wait there first, huh? Your taste to me. Invisible, first, call that to the process to me. Sit. And take one more and tell me how it tastes. The octopus. Taste one, take piece. Look at it, you see the octopus, you see the leg, you see the.
No.
You see the
I don't want to eat
how
it.
they grab the teeth. Yeah. Chew it with something.
I don't want to eat it.
Chew it, taste it. And tell me how octopus tastes. Just like that. Taste it first. Chew it, see it, just like snail. Eh, good. Octopus. The morning spender can eating octopus. Yeah, first. How octopus taste? Chew it. Chew it. Very good. You see octopus, you see how you cook it? Octopus, it tastes just like snail, right? Snail. It tastes just like snail. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. The octopus is set a good, beautiful.
99.100.
99.100.
99.99 out of 100. 100 out of 10. 100 out of 100.
So that's it. The octopus is.
Never eating that again.
The octopus is great. Let me taste it. Take this.
I just want to eat octopus. Which is nasty to me.
Very good. It is very good.